Hey, what's up, YouTube? We're back out for day 3 of trying to clean up some of this junk. We're going to make a little bit more progress and give you a little bit of an update. So, my thoughts with doing the stairway, I might have to put on hold with that, not only for the fact that it's going to be quite an undertaking, plus the fact that I would need at least probably 6 sheets of 3/4 inch plywood. I may have an opportunity to get another vehicle, and it's a small one. We'll leave it at that. But anyway, there needs to be enough room for that. And I got to get rid of some of this stuff. I have come to the conclusion that the table saw takes up a bit too much real estate and probably has to go. But for now, that's going to go up there. Anyway, another thing that I have realized is I've got to get rid of empty, flat, horizontal surfaces, because anything that can be put on a flat, horizontal surface ends up there, and it just ends up a mess. So my thought is to eliminate a lot of flat surfaces in this coming up iteration of the garage. Like to know what some of your ideas might be about how to still have the storage but eliminate flat surfaces from a workshop. I do want to maybe create like a portable workbench that I could possibly put on some sawhorses when I need to. And yeah, I'm interested in hearing from you what works out for you. This garage needs to do cars, needs to do some woodworking stuff, household stuff, plumbing, electric, you name it. I've got to be able to do a lot of the stuff around the house, around the car with this area. And I'm looking forward to hearing from you. So what I'm thinking right now is just to try to clear this off and put like with like. I think that's really the go-to plan at the moment. All right, so I got a lot of this cleaned up. I got to take that to the dump. I think I got to just start making my way down this way and clean off the flat surfaces. Right. So one thing that I do want to do is make a home for paper towels, because I'm constantly robbing them from inside the house, and I want to have a home for them rather than just laying it wherever in the shop. And I have this 1-inch dowel that I'm going to cut down, and we're going to use the drill press and make a really super quick and easy paper towel holder. And there we are, finished. Super quick and simple paper towel holder. Now again, not too much progress, but at least some of that's been cleaned off. I think something that I'd like to try to tackle maybe next is this drill storage situation. I'd like maybe to make cubbies for everything, but I've also seen those that they hang up. Let me know in the comments below if any of you have any experience with any of them or any ideas for drill storage. Again, I want to eliminate any types of flat surfaces so that I don't just pile stuff that doesn't belong. Like those extension cords clearly don't belong with the drill stuff. Anyway, look forward to hearing from you. Anyway, hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care, everybody.